Yep. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop. That's pretty cool. What, is that your speaker terminals?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, they're just the banana plugs. But
Okay.
yeah, I want that would take 4K or 8K. So.
Can I see under your hood?
Yeah.
It's all right. I just like to see everything. Yeah, you're good. Tight space. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep.
The back deck is in, but that's not installed on the amp yet. I'm going to do that tonight. I literally just ran out of time.
All right. Wow. Nice.
My name is Brett Watts. We've got a pretty much all black brick build as of right now. We got 2 Brickhouse 12s, 5K on each. Then we've got 96 amp hours of SPIM, a 400 by 404 channel on 2 sets of black brick component 4-inch, 1-inch sets in the back, and then by tomorrow we'll have those, which will be the 3rd set of black brick components. So,
wow. Oh, you got speaker pods right here on the side panels. Back
yeah,
there,
it's everywhere where there was a factory spot.
Okay.
And then I made those.
Very nice. You did all this yourself?
Yeah, Everett helped me with the enclosure, and my brother did the engraving there, but all the woodwork and everything had my hand on it.
Very nice. Do you know like cubic space tuning, SPL, anything like that?
Well, I know the box after the subs are in it is like 4.75 cubes, so it's like 2.3 per sub.
Okay.
And it's tuned to 31 hertz.
Okay. Nice.
Tuned to 31 hertz.
Any burp tests?
Well, Ricky from Down for Sound team, he threw his meter on it at state finals, but it was before I
did a lot of changes.
Yeah, it did 147 on music.
Okay. You probably, what do you feel like it's doing now? Maybe 150, 51?
Yeah, probably not.
I like the doors.
Know.
It looks good, man. Everything's nice and clean.
Probably not.
What are these subs rated at RMS wise?
3,000.
Okay.
But so they're probably right now after Rise and everything, they're probably seeing about 3 maybe if I'm lucky.
Yes, sir.
But I've got twin 7.5Ks. I'm gonna try to get them wired up tonight. I brought them with me. So after that, they might see 4,000, you know, each. But you know, we're hopeful.
Yeah, we'd love to hear it, man.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. you. Very nice. Unique, all one brand system. I like it, man. Thank you for the demo. Looks really good, clean install too.
Absolutely.
And I'm sure you're trying to want to upgrade a little bit of power, but it sounds good for what it is.
Hey, I like it.
Yes, sir. Good job.
Just wanted to sound good. I think I hit it.
You did a good job. Appreciate it, man.
Buddy. Hey, have fun, man.
You too.
A lot of people to see.
Yes, sir.